Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare unripe dry pawpaw with Beneseed. So guys can see all the items. This is a unripe dry pawpaw. Can see how it be. It's very dry and clean. And this is the Beneseed. Inside the Beneseed, I blend crayfish together inside. I have palm oil here. I have ice fish. I have pepper, salt, onion, and Maggi seasoning. Here I have dry fish, stockfish, my mother is kanda, and I have ugu leaf. So guys, I've put water on the fire to soak the unripe dry pawpaw. So before you do, you fetch the water. The water is hot. You fetch the water and put and soak the unripe dry pawpaw. You soak it like 5 minutes. So when I soak the unripe dry pawpaw, I'll now put the ingredient and prepare my stock. I'll now put all the rich here. Now put salt. Now pour the onion, pepper, and Maggi seasoning. The Maggi seasoning, have to break it. Now pour the onion. After putting everything, now put your ice fish. After you put everything, you cover it and allow your stock to done. Before you put the palm oil, you allow the ingredient to done before putting palm oil. So I will cover it and leave it to done about 10 to 15 minutes. Later the ingredient that I put to prepare the stock, let it done well. So guys, let's check the stock. Wow. So it's time now to put the palm oil. I didn't fry it, just put it like that. I didn't fry the oil. That's it. After putting the oil, you cover it like 5 minutes before put the remaining ingredient. So after I'm waiting for 5 minutes, I'll now wash the unripe dry pawpaw for the water. Like I said, you wash it for the water. You strain the water, nice water that the boil put. Now wash it inside. Make sure you wash it very well. You can see it very clean. No sand at all. It's not dirty. So guys can see the water. It's very clean. It's not dirty. But you have to wash it in case there is sand. So guys can see I've washed it. Now back to fire. So it's time now to put the Beneseed. Can see I didn't miss it. Already blend the crayfish inside. After putting the Beneseed, you now cover it like 10 minutes before you put the remaining item. So guys, let's put the dry pawpaw. That's it. Unripe dry pawpaw soup, Benue style. That is the title. Unripe dry pawpaw soup, Benue style. After you put it, you now cover it like 15 minutes before you add your ugu. So guys, let's check. Wow, it's time now to add ugu. Add little ugu. Guys can see. After putting ugu together, wow, you make this one. You can make your soup, your swallow. After making your swallow, you now balance and eat your lunch or dinner. This is dry, unripe dry pawpaw, Benue style. And see, some use only the dry pawpaw without putting ugu. Because me, I like ugu leaf too much. So anything I do, I always put in ugu. That is why I put ugu leaf. So it's not compulsory that you do it, you put ugu. Can use only that unripe dry pawpaw. Can use only it and cook. So I'm putting ugu because I like ugu leaf. So I'll leave it like 2 minutes to done. I will not cover it again. Wow. And see, you make it like this. Can make your swallow, can make your semo, can make your pandidiyam, pandoyam, amala, gari, anyone you like, you can make it and use it and eat it. A very simple soup. Unripe dry pawpaw, Benue style. Unripe dry pawpaw soup. Unripe dry pawpaw soup, Benue style. And see, I didn't put too much palm oil. I didn't fry my oil. I just put it direct. Because not every soup you fry the oil. There are some you put your oil direct without frying it. So it's a very simple menu, not hard. So after you do it, you can make your swallow and balance and eat. And make your pandidiyam. Yeah, I like amala and semo. That is my best swallow I can make and eat. So after this soup now, I'll make my swallow and balance and eat for lunch. So it's a simple menu. So if today is your first time of watching my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Comment for it is done. Now off the light. So I allow it to cool. Now dish it and put it in my fridge. Anytime I want to eat, I'll now fish and warm it and do my swallow and eat. It's a very simple menu. Thanks for watching. Please, before you go, if you like this video, drop your comment, subscribe and like. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.